Good morning, everybody. This is Jacob over at Palm Harbor Homes of Cleveland. Today I want to show you guys the brand new Horizon Limited. This home is beautiful. It's 48 foot long, 30 foot wide. It's a smaller double wide, but as you can see, they really maximize the space you can use in here. Let's start you off here. Check out this big living room. Okay, already got outlets everywhere, as you can see. Got outlets up on the wall so you can hang your TV up and hide all the cords and everything. I like that they think about that sort of stuff. Got you a nice pantry here. Kind of got a farmhouse feel here. The barn doors. You got another barn door here. It leads into your utility room. Let's check this out real quick. There's a lot of room in here. Okay, got you some wood shelving there. There's your back door. So where these double windows are, you can actually turn those into a sliding glass door or an atrium door. Something like that, whatever your preference is. Check out the amount of cabinet space in this home. And a nice sized kitchen for a smaller double wide, I'll give them that. Check it out, beautiful stainless farmhouse sink here. Detachable hose on your faucet. Now let's bring you around here to the master bedroom. Plenty of natural lighting, got a double window there and a transom window up top. Again, plenty of outlets for everything that you might need to plug in, whether you're setting your TV up on a dresser or you got your nightstands or anything like that. Okay, coming into the master bathroom, you have a double vanity. Okay, got cabinet space, drawers. Got a bench here so you can sit down, put on your shoes with another full body mirror, and then check out this shower. Wow, that's awesome. That's where I'd spend 99% of my time. That's pretty sweet. Check out the closet. Big, spacious, lots of room. Let me open up this door all the way. There we go. Okay. One thing I really like is back here they put these cabinets. They're not just little cabinets neither. You got plenty of space in there for all your stuff that you might need in your bathroom. Go ahead and get those shut. Open this up, got your toilet area in there with another little window. Alright guys, this is the Horizon Limited. It's called a limited because it's here for a limited amount of time. There's not many of them left, so come check it out down here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland. The address is 1152 Frontage Road, Cleveland, Texas 77328. I'll see you guys soon.